Tomorrow is our due date, and today we're buying a camper. Okay, we are here to purchase the camper, and we got our sweet little boy. You're just sleeping through it all. He's got his fishing outfit on. He's ready to go.
Now.
Did you film me saying? Okay, so our camper, we don't have much land. It's really not a great setup. So first you open the door, and you can't even open the door fully because we have a gutter here. So that's gonna be really interesting to try and, you know, get everything set up, but we'll make do. It's just a little tricky to get in here, especially with baby. 2.5 months later, now we are doing the tour of the camper because we had our little baby Cooper. We do have a birth vlog if you guys want to see it. When you first walk in, we have this little seating area. We have these 2 recliners. I don't know what to do with them. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. They're in such great shape, and I think they swivel, they rock, and I feel like it'd be really good with Cooper. So maybe we'll just put covers on them. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts. And there's lots of storage up here too. Originally what I was thinking is I thought we could take this table out and then put like a pack and play or a crib here and kind of turn this into Cooper's nursery, but we realized that this is, do you know what this is? Like the AC or furnace or something is actually in here. My mom and I discovered that the other day.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah,
electric goes and connects in the back there, so maybe it's...
Yeah, there's something in here. So we can't remove it, so we'll probably just keep it like this. And then the flooring, we're gonna redo all of that. Over here, so this is where it slides out. So this is the slide right here. Again, the sofa is in really great condition. We haven't opened it up yet, so we're gonna have to do that and just see like what the bed looks like. So easiest thing would be to not have to remove this. Again, if you guys have any ideas, the easiest thing would probably just be to throw a cover on it. But I don't know if we should just get a new sofa or keep this one. If you guys have had fifth wheels and or campers and you've replaced them, let me know if you regret it or if we should keep it. We have lots of storage up here, which is great. Then we have this little dinette area. Again, the cushions are really in good condition. If I can learn how to use my sewing machine, that will be awesome. So yeah, I feel like the bones of this camper are really good, especially in comparison to our last one, which Connor is traumatized by. I wish I could film what you look like right now. And then over here we have this high-tech system, sound system, TV, DVD player, VCR. I kind of want to keep it because I feel like it's nice to have those 2 things, but I think realistically we were thinking of putting a fireplace in right here. This does pull out, which is nice. I don't think we necessarily need it, but it is nice as a desk, I guess. And then probably just like put a flat screen and then make our way to the kitchen, which is a really amazing size kitchen. There's tons of storage in here. And it's really nice. The sink is so big too. And I like that it has like 2 distinct sides. And I also like that it's a white sink because I feel like whatever design we go with, it'll be easy to tie it in. There's just like lots of random things in here from the old owner. He was so sweet though and like left us a bunch of stuff. Here's the oven. It is rusted and chipping, so I don't know. What do you think we should do?
And paint it.
Okay.
Steel wool, paint it.
So we'll probably do that. Is this working? Is it kind of popping out a little? I guess to be determined to figure it out. But back here we'll probably do like, you know, tile, peel and stick tile, stuff like that. But I love that it has like a microwave, everything, it just seems really great if we wanted to even like live in here one day, right? Do you want to live in here? He's like, nope. The refrigerator is really cool because it has the panels on it. Here's the freezer, pretty good size. Here's the refrigerator, pretty good size. And what we love so much about this camper, it has these steps that go up. So it has a door that closes, so it is all closed off to the rest of the camper, or you can just keep it open and then it goes into the bedroom. So let's go in there.
Access to the storage panel underneath your feet.
Oh yeah, under here, and there's lots of storage there. That's why it's called a storage panel. We have like a pantry over here, and all these drawers pull out. And then what our other camper was lacking, which this one has, is so much storage. And then there's like a closet here. There's like a bar in here for clothes, some storage down here. And then when you come up, here is our bathroom. So with our bathroom, the skylight was actually leaking. And so the guy we bought it from, he was so nice, and just for a couple extra $100, he fixed it all, and he even put in a light in here, so when you walk past the bathroom, this light turns on, but the door is just off right now, so we'll have to put the door back on later. And then we go up a couple more steps, and in here we have the sink, and then our whole bed area. And there's a beautiful sink and more storage. So yeah. Kope. Oh, I think I have a clip of me in this mirror with my big belly. And now here's a clip of me with my Koopy. Oh. So as far as plans go with the camper, I think that we want to try to make this feel kind of like our house and just really homey. I don't know what type of colors to do yet or what we're going to do. I have a couple things in mind, but just not really like a full idea yet. So I'm really excited to just get in here and start taking everything apart. I'm not sure how it's going to work with having baby Cooper now, and it's just too expensive to have childcare. So it should be interesting. We're going to have to, like, you know, figure something out to make it all work, but I'm really excited to get started on this project. So let me know what you guys are interested in seeing with this camper remodel. I'll definitely be sharing with you guys all of it, just like I did with Honey the Camper. I think I'm gonna name this camper Betsy. My mom was kind of joking and calling it Betsy because we didn't have a name, and I was like, I actually kind of like that name. I think it's kind of cute. So let me know what you guys think about Betsy. But that is it for our camper tour with our little baby Cooper. He's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any ideas of what we should do, especially with the recliners and like all the stuff that has fabric on it, let me know, because I don't know what to do with it. But we will talk to you guys in the next video. It will definitely be something with the camper, maybe cleaning the outside of it or something along the lines of that. But we'll talk to you next time.